Hart Restoration Group offers a diversified set of restoration services for historic and contemporary buildings. In service to building owners and managers, Hart has conducted restoration projects on 3 continents and across the United States. The key to Hart's innovative restoration techniques and cleaning formulations is our approach to building conservation. A thorough understanding of the chemistry of masonry, metals, and other building materials helps us select the best techniques and materials to restore and preserve them. We treat historic buildings with the attention and caution that these monuments to our cultural heritage deserve and require. Hart Restoration Group's consulting division, Applied Restoration Technologies, specializes in evaluating the condition and problems of masonry buildings and architectural metalwork and developing specifications for their immediate restoration and long-term conservation needs. Applied Restoration Technologies has developed specifications for the cleaning restoration of national historic landmarks, such as landmark office towers in Cleveland and prestigious contemporary buildings such as CNN Center in Atlanta. Hart Restoration Group is a full-service building restoration and conservation contractor. Hart's services include masonry and concrete reconstruction and repair, masonry repointing and caulking, masonry cleaning, consolidation and sealing, architectural metalwork restoration and refinishing, as well as installation of architectural panels and curtain walls. Hart Restoration is on the cutting edge in utilizing and developing restoration technology. Hart Restoration Group's projects are regularly featured in trade journals and have won national awards. Hart Restoration Group executed the highly successful design-build restoration of the Carew Tower, the tallest building in Cincinnati and a national historic landmark. The Empire State Building was modeled after this 50-story Art Deco masterpiece. Hart's consulting division worked with some of the country's leading engineering firms to develop the specifications for the restoration of the building. Hart Restoration Group executed the project without altering the historic character and details of the building and without disturbance to the tenants. New technologies were incorporated into the repairs to ensure the preservation of Cincinnati's preeminent masterpiece into the future. Hart Restoration Group was called in for the restoration of this historic temple in Kampala, Uganda, in the heart of Africa. The building leaked badly, and the mosaic ceramic tile dome was covered in a deteriorating acrylic coating. Cracks in the dome were pressure injected, and all the joint sealants, roofing membranes, and tile grout were replaced. The building envelope was made watertight, and a special poulticing procedure cleaned the building, restoring it to its original brilliance. This is the national headquarters of the Sherwin-Williams Company and a national historic landmark. It was cleaned using low-pressure cold water without the use of chemicals, high pressure, or abrasion, using Hart's ARM technology, Advanced Restoration of Masonry. This system uses pulses of low-pressure cold water mist to dissolve the material that bonds the dirt to the surface. The historic metalwork on the building was also restored. Years of corrosion and paint were removed and the metal was polished and sealed. The Baha'i House of Worship is a national historic landmark located adjacent to Lake Michigan in Wilmette, Illinois. The exterior cladding is a unique blend of ornamental concrete designed and installed by noted architectural sculptor John Early. On-site investigations determined that the pathologies afflicting the building's surface were both chemical and organic in nature. Atmospheric pollutants had settled on the ornamental concrete and bonded to the surface, and large colonies of fungus had rooted in the cement matrix. The architecture provided hundreds of roosting points for pigeons. Their droppings not only stain masonry, but can cause serious lung diseases. Custom bird-proofing devices were installed to eliminate this problem. Another surface problem were the unsightly black scabs in the sheltered areas of the building. These scabs consist of calcium sulfate encapsulated pollutants which are caused when acid rain reacts with calcium hydroxide in the concrete. The restoration procedure consisted of a combination of gentle cleaning techniques. The methods used were selected through a rigorous analytical process designed to determine not only immediate effects, but potential long-range effects on the ornamental concrete surface. The calcium sulfate crusts were dissolved with cold, low-pressure water using Hart's ARM technology. The organic growths and atmospheric staining were removed by a gentle chemical pre-softening and rinsing process. The highly ornamental exterior and interior facade precluded the use of conventional access equipment.
Hart was able to invent techniques and tools and equipment to fit the unique shapes of the building and efficiently get the work done. And as the work progressed, as Hart's crew moved around the building, the original brilliance of the white quartz concrete, which we didn't even realize how white it was originally, but the original brilliance of the House of Worship was unveiled again.
Hart Restoration Group received the Repair Project of the Year award from the International Concrete Repair Institute for its work on the Baha'i House of Worship.